Hey guys, we are back with another video today for you guys. So we have the children with me and our dog Izzy. Yeah, we're coming at you today with another video. We are going to be doing a prank on my husband, their dad. We're gonna basically make him think the kids are outside playing, they're continuously in things, and Quincy gets a nail through his finger, and there's blood everywhere, and it's really, really bad. He's gonna be screaming and just crying. Izzy, come on. So that's our dog, Izzy. Here. Say hi to the Douglas family, Izzy. Say hi to the Douglas family, Izzy. She's like, I don't give a damn. Okay, so we are going to set this. We're going to actually have baby Quan hold the camera while I get, come on, Izzy. While I get Quincy bandaged up. And we're going to get this, jump right into this prank, basically. All right, here, Quan.
Don't do
You
it.
hold this, hold it straight. Just hold it like that. Don't do nothing else. Come on, Quincy. Okay. So you gotta be crying. Like you really got hurt. Okay? So
Like, like that?
So we gotta put this on there like that. The thing is so difficult to get on, so trying my best here. Okay. Cameraman is only 5, so excuse us if the camera's moving a lot. Get over here. Okay. So basically we're gonna have to make a way. Ah, there it goes. So we're gonna have to put that there and that there like that. Hold on, wait a minute. Okay, so that's like that. That right there. Basically, we're gonna have to make this look as real as possible. So, another loop there. And basically,
Hey, don't touch the
I
blood.
feel like this is as good as we're gonna get. Don't move your finger. Don't let it twist. Quan, you moving the camera. You just have to hold it in one place. Just like that. Okay?
Oh, it looks real.
If you stop moving it. So, it's gonna be just a situation, guys. God dang on it. Alright, y'all. So, we got our fake blood. He has to stop moving his finger. And then we got the fake nail going through the finger. Now, we are just going to spray the fake blood all over the finger like it's just drenching. Because that's how it looks when you really get a nail in your finger. Get a lot of blood on you. Okay? Alright.
Oh, look, it's dripping. That's how blood is supposed to go. It drips.
Alright, guys. Thanks to our camera guy.
It's dripping. That's how
Where you at,
blood
Quan?
goes.
That's our camera guy. Yeah. And then this is how the finger is going to look.
Mama.
And Quincy, show us how you gonna cry. You gotta really be like into it.
I don't know how to cry.
Like that. Yes, you do know how to fake cry. You always fake cry all the time. But you have to scream like you be screaming like you be getting shot. Oh, I think I hear something. Okay. Say gang, gang, gang. So we're going to go ahead and jump into this video. You guys stay tuned because the prank zone will start soon. His finger is just bleeding and I'm going to have to be like, Quan, I need your help. Quincy has hurt himself. And basically what we're going to originally do is draw him into the living room. That way I can set the camera up in the room somewhere and get his full reaction for you guys. Because this is going to be hilarious. So you guys, you guys subscribe to our channel, like ahead of time, because I'm telling you the video is going to be lit. And here goes the prank zone.
Daddy! I don't know what happened. No, it's not. Ow! Oh!
You laughing, that's fake. Ah, you trying to kill me?
We all
I tried.
that.
Oh, reason I'm laughing. Why they tried to prank me?
So the prank was a fail. Just Quincy and I started laughing.
Good idea, though. Real good idea. That was the only thing I was about to believe him. You had the blood where it was coming down here, down the finger and everything. I was like, smart idea. Now you can't even use that one again. Like, you know how many ideas you could have had around that one and I would have failed for it if I would have failed for that one? He was too calm. He ain't never that calm. Even when he get his minor cut, he always,
Daddy, but that's not true.
We almost got him. But he's laughing.
She looking at him
We'll
like,
have to try it another time, a different way, something.
very good idea. I'm gonna fail for it. Hit the comment button. Go on and tell him, man, because it did not
It was
work.
horrible.
Daddy.
Like and subscribe to the channel. 89% of the people who watch our videos are not subscribed. So please hit the subscribe button because it doesn't cost anything at all. Just
More
subscribe to the
ideas.
channel and send more ideas in the comment
'Cause it
section
didn't
down below.
work.
I should act like I was walking outside and stepped on the nail myself and just did it
Yeah, I
like
would
that.
believe that. Because you wouldn't have been laughing.
Because I took drama class, so I could have just had the tears or something. I could have had something going. I might have been crying blood for all you know. Yeah, guys, just like and subscribe. Join the Douglas Family channel. We need 1,000 subscribers. And we're going to go ahead and end this video, guys. We out.